Number 5, which asks us to find the current going to the base of the transistors, the current going to the collectors of the transistors, and the voltage between the base and the emitter, and the voltage between the collector and the emitters of both transistors. And we're assuming the transistors have a beta of 100.
Okay, so before we solve the problem, we gotta write out the KVL for VBE1, which is right here. So VBE1 KVL is gonna be equal to 12 volt, gonna be equal IB times 1.2 million plus VBE1, and then VBE2 and VCE1 KVL is gonna be this branch right here, 12 volt equal VEB2 plus VCE1. And the third equation we need to write out is VEC2 KVL G 12 volt equal VEC2 plus IC2 times 0.7 K resistor. So for this one, I label 1 star, this one is 2 star, and this one is 3 star. So first of all, we assume that Q1 is off. So what that means is IB1 gonna be equal to 0. So we replace IB1 in this equation. We're gonna find out that VBE is gonna be equal to 12 volt and it's greater than 0.7. Therefore, the assumption is wrong. So the next assumption we can make is Q1 is on and is active. So what that means is VBE is gonna be equal to 0.7, IB gonna be greater than 0, and IC is gonna be greater than 0. So we use the 1 star equation and plug in VBE equal 0.7, and we find out that IB1 gonna be equal 9 microamp, and therefore IC1 gonna be IB1 times 100 gonna be equal 0.9 milliamp, and we know that IC1 is the same as IB2, so it's gonna be equal 0.9 milliamp. And what that means is Q2 is on since the current go to the base of the BJT2 is greater than 0, and we can say that VBE2 gonna be equal 0.7, and from that we can use the 2 star equation right here and plug in all the information that we get, and we find out that VCE1 gonna be equal 11.3 volt and it's gonna be greater than 0.7 volt, and the assumption is correct. And then the next one we can do is Q2. We know that it's on, but we don't know whether or not it's active or is it saturated. So let's assume that this one is saturated. So when this one is the second BJT is saturated, what's that mean? VCEC2 gonna be equal 0.2. And then from that we can use the 3 star equation and solve for IC2, and we can find that it's gonna be equal 16.9 milliamp. And from above we already find that VIB2 gonna be equal 0.9 milliamp, and we just find that IC2 equal 19.9 milliamp. So if we find a relationship between those two current, it's gonna be equal 18.8, which is a lot less than 100. So what that means is the assumption is correct. So to sum up, Q1 gonna be on active. The voltage on BE1 will be equal 0.7 volt, IB1 equal 9 microamp, IC1 equal 0.9 milliamp, VCE1 equal 11.3 volt, and Q2 is gonna be on saturated mode. VEB2 gonna be equal 0.7 volt, VE2 equal 0.2 volt, IB2 equal 0.9 milliamp, and IC2 equal 16.9 milliamp.